Number 6, icya gatandatu. Many thanks. Urakoze cyane. Many thanks. Number 7, ikindwi, thanks in advance. Thanks in advance. Thanks in advance. Advance ni avance. In advance ni an avance. Iyo uri kurashimira umuntu nko kuri promesse yaguhaye cyangwa wamusabye aza gukorera ikintu akwemera ndakuyikorera, uramushimira ati urakoze kutwigoro uza kugira. Umva ntaragukorera icyo kintu mugabo araza kugikora. Okay? Gushimira twigoro aza kugira gukorera icyo kintu umubwira thanks in advance. Thanks in advance. Number 8, I am grateful. I'm grateful. To be grateful, kuba grateful ni guhimbagwa. Guhimbagwa, kuba satisfied cyangwa satisfied selo ni kintu yagukoreye kaguhimbara umubwira ati I'm grateful. Okay? It means wahimbawe, waryoherewe ikintu yagukoreye, wagishimye. Ijambo rimwe. Number 9, I appreciate it. I appreciate it. To appreciate bisigura gushima. Okay? Gushima ikintu, I appreciate it, nagishimi. It is another way of saying thanks. Nubundi buryo kuvuga thanks ushaka kubwira umuntu ukintu yagukoreye ati I appreciate it, nagishimye. Number 10, I can't thank you enough. I can't thank you enough. Ikora ryari. Okay? Nimugire kurabwira umuntu ati nta wundi buryo mbona gushimiramwo. Okay? Simbona uko no gushimira. Mbayaba yakoze ibintu bimwe bidasanzwe, wowe wenyine uvuga ati wow. Cyangwa ati ntako no gushimira. Okay? So how to tujambo rero ushaka gushimira umuntu ku kintu yagukoreye. Umuntu ashimira umuntu se n'ibintu bitandukanye aba yakoze depending from different things someone did for you. Okay? Iyo ushaka kuvuga rero gushimira umuntu werekana n'icyo yakoze n'icyari cyo, urongeraho akajambo for. Thank you for, thanks for. Hacakurikira rero ikintu ushaka kuvuga yakoze. For example, mukarorero, thank you for everything. Everything bisigura kuri buri kimwe. Thank you for everything. Urakoze kuri buri kintu wakoze. Everything, buri kintu cyose wakoze. Thank you for everything. Okay? Thank you for a ride. Thank you for a ride. A ride ni lift. Umuntu yakunguruje yaguhaye lift, kunguruza umuntu. Okay? Iyo kurashimira umuntu yaguhaye lift yakunguruje, umbwira ati thank you for a ride. Umva ko ngaruka kurashimira umuntu wongera umubwira n'icyo yakoze cyari cyo. Okay? Thank you for coming. Urakoze kuza. Okay? Coming ni kuza. To come ni verb isigura kuza. Rero kurashimira umuntu umbwira uti thank you for coming. Okay? Thank you for your time. Thank you for your time. Your time n'umwanya wawe. Time n'umwanya. Your time umwanya wawe. Rero kurashimira umuntu ku mwanya yaguhaye mu bihe mwagiranye, umubwira uti thank you for your time. Urakoze ku mwanya wawe, umwanya yaguhaye. Okay? Thank you for your consideration. Thank you for your consideration. Mwakoze kunyiyumvirako. Okay? Reka tubandanye. That's kind of you. That's kind of you. Iyo ni expression yazitamenye zimwe zitamenyerewe ushaka gukoresha kurashimira umuntu. Urakoresha that kind of you. Okay? Iyo kenshi ikoreshwa mu gihe umuntu yaba yagukoreye ikintu nawe ubwo nyine utari witeze ko yokora icyo kintu, ntushobora kumubwira ati that's kind of you. Okay? I couldn't have done without you. I couldn't have done without you. I couldn't have done without you. Okay? Ntacyo nari kwishoboza tutari kumwe. Iyo urayikoresha mu gihe wari ufise ikintu kanaka ushaka gukora, wari ufise urubanza rwo kurategura ntari kugwishoboza, ucuronka umuntu cyangwa abantu baza kurugufasha, ruragenda neza. Iyo rero hari ikintu utari kwishoboza, mukayikora n'undi muntu kugira mushike kuri point final kigakunda, iyo uri kuramushimira rero naho nyine ushobora gukoresha iyo expression I couldn't have done without you. Sinari kubyishoboza. In another way, nayo nyine ni expression ukoresha kurashimira umuntu. Accept my endless gratitude. I value your support. Ndaha agaciro ubufasha bwawe, ukunshigikira kwawe ndabiha agaciro. I value your support. Aho ni mu gihe umuntu yama gushigikira mu tuntu ukora, ibintu nk'ivyo ushaka kumubwira ati I value your support. You shouldn't have. Ni urayikoresha mu gihe uri kurashimira umuntu yagukoreye ikintu utari witeze ko yokora. Ubwira uti you shouldn't have. You've been a big help. You've been a big help. You have been a big help. Okay? Waramfashije cyane. That's all. We are done by here. Reka kandi nongeye ndabashimire kandi kuba mwashibanye gukurikirana ibinyigisho zamaze ngaha ku rubuga rwacu Icyongereza cyoroshe. Ngira kandi ndabaha ikaze ku bataragira subscribe, ubonanye mugira subscribe kugira muzore muhombe ivyigwa ducishako. Nongeye kandi ndabasaba kugira ama partage n'abandi bashobora kwiga biciye ku ma partage mukora. Okay? Thank you very much.